Next trick we're going to do is grind through triangle. This is another grind trick. So if you haven't been practicing your grinds, take a look at the grinding video. Get control of it, get a really good strong throw. It's really important for grinds. This one is another really cool variation. What we're doing is you actually start with a wrist mount. So this is when you can actually use one of your wrist mount variations we worked on earlier. And what you do is you actually pop it out the front. I just popped it out the front there. You pop it out the front instead of the back. What this does is it creates a triangle. You want to hold on to that triangle and keep it open. Let me show you how you do that real quick. As you're getting ready to pop out towards the front, put your thumb and your pointer into the string on the left, and when it is out, you drop off your throw hand, and you have left what you're holding over here. It's a triangle. If you hold it really tight, you can see it there. What we're actually going to do is grind through that. So let me show you what this looks like. Once you have this here, you actually grind the yo-yo up and through the triangle. And what that allows you to do is, if you had dropped that triangle, you would have had a knot. But by grinding, you can actually grind up through it. And it's kind of a cool transition, a cool way to showcase your grinding skills that you can precisely bring it up through the loop. Let me show you this again. So you start with a wrist mount, form that triangle, and this time you take your throw hand and bring it onto the yo-yo, and you use your left hand to bring the string over your hand as the yo-yo is coming up. So let me show you this again. You grind it, it comes up through it like so.